Alrighty then. So yeah, this is what I gotta clean up later. I'm gonna try and wear my head mount, and yeah, this is really disgusting. Yeah, I gotta sweep up over there. But right now, I need to find a brush. Oh yeah, good. It's right here. This is my Thompson's water seal. So, how to water seal your racing garage? Crap, I'm wondering if I should spritz it. That would be cool. But I'm thinking, crap, I need to find a brush, but I don't think that'll work well. I should try it one of these days, just to see, but I need a light brush. But first I need my my water seal shoes. These are my actual mowing shoes. And they don't have insoles because I'm not walking very far. So, oops, sorry about that. Yeah. But yeah, I gotta clean this damn place up later on. And can you make out everything? This crap's really disgusting. Oh, excellent, excellent, excellent. I have to go to the store. See, oh, damn it, I need this wide brush. And I'm thinking about maybe using a roller because I find myself getting lazier and lazier. But I've always been lazy. I've been doing this crap since 1974. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not that old. My older brother was doing it since 1974. I wasn't born yet, actually. Yeah, my my grandbrother. Because, damn, this thing feels like I got it on backwards. Yeah, I just walked from, Hyde Park in the library. Oh, I forgot to measure the distance. I'm so happy I found that damn brush. Now I gotta go buy. I only really use it once a year, but it's all I seem to need because I, took over for him after he died. But yeah, like back in the 50s. But yeah, it did have one. It actually didn't quite make it. Yeah, that's my mower. I use a push mower because I'm trying to be green. You can't get any greener than a push mower. Let me tell you. Alrighty, yeah, this is let me see. Am I using this damn thing? Am I using this? I forgot which one I used the last time. And I was thinking about throwing those things away. Good thing I didn't. Oh, I know which one I used. I used the... Damn, I should have kept that thing. I threw it out. I used the cut-off. Yeah, so I got rat poison out of it. I had a rat problem in here for a while. Damn things were in the house. But got rid of them, though, finally. Now, I love the shape of this bottle, though. This Poland Springs is a different... But I think they don't like these because you can't stack them the way... But they make good, like, soap dishes because they don't have that... Oh, shit. Damn it. I can't believe I just did that. I think I broke my spray bottle. But, I have another one over here. I didn't know I had another spray bottle. But let's try to... I have, like, tons of these damn things upstairs, though, that I can cut open. Yeah, that's what I think I'm going to do. See, what the hell? No, that one's got sand in it. Pound sand in your ass. Yeah, I think that's probably why I haven't used that one. And so, yeah. Alright, I'm going to go upstairs and I'll come back to this crap later. I need to transfer that stuff to the other thing. Okay, so I'll leave this here right now because I already have my gloves. Let's see now. I think I was throwing that other one out. But yeah. Okay. Make sure I'm not revealing anything that shows where I reside. As Rich Rebell says, which I keep repeating on every video. I want you guys to know where I live. You're gonna come and kill me. I think you've seen my disgusting house. I mean, this is not my house. Someone else lives here. Yeah, this is a friend's house. But I've been meaning to clean it up for years now. And yeah, let's see. There's his Magnapans. Oh, their Magnapans. These are my best buds. Okay. Yeah, I should have them mount. I wish I had that chest mount. I saw them selling for like $15, but I don't want to waste the money. So I'm a skate of the cheap persuasion. Let's see. Where can I mount this damn thing? Yeah, these are my plants there. These are killer effing plants. Got these also. These are bamboo plants. I don't know what the hell that is. This damn thing died overnight. My, wow, I don't know. I wonder if it's got too much water. Because it looks like it had buds that want to try and come up. I wonder if I should plant that baby out front. They say this plant, I swear to God, someone told me this is supposed to be a wandering Jew. I personally feel I'm not into that type of thing, so I don't condone that type of behavior. Yeah, so I was really just as shocked as you are, but we're a bunch of assholes as humans anyway, so what the hell can you expect? There's always some crap, people are such crap, I swear to God. So yeah, I'm gonna try and put that there for right now, and I'm gonna try and open this damn thing up. You'll probably hear me. I don't know if you can hear me, but if you hear me, that's me. And I don't know how I should make this thing. Yeah, I just had to puncture it with a needle nose pliers. Have you do this and hold the camera, hold the phone at the same time. So I'll let you see. Oh yeah, did I show? Yeah, it's this thing. And I'm just cutting it in half. And I'll make a dip well for my Thompson's water seal. I'm not getting paid by Thompsons, but if you want to pay me, I'll show you. I'll show you all. I'll show the wonderful people all the other wonderful things that I use it for. Yeah. So, right. So yeah, I cut it in half. So yeah, it's cut in half. Now it'll make an excellent well. So, and I consider myself a really good citizen, and I should earn carbon stuffies, whatever the hell they call it. So carbon something, carbon credits or some crap like that. Because I'm not like using, I'm not wasting. At least I'm trying not to waste. You'd probably cut down on eating. That'd probably help. It'd probably put a big dent in all that carbon crap. Let me see. I think I want to get another shot of water. I wonder if I should take a bottle down with me. What time is that? I wanted to get that. It's almost 1. I don't think it'll take an hour. I hope it doesn't. So I was hoping I could find that. Let's see. Crap. I wanted to show my beer, so I'd look normal. Oh, my friend's beer. Man, I don't know why the hell this refrigerator doing this. After I dumped my wife, I think she put a spell on me. Because she got this refrigerator from one of her pals, I think. But I think I got a large one from Sears. Paid like $600 for this damn thing. I think she probably only paid $300 for it. That bitch. and just took and kept $300. It doesn't look like it's worth $600. You can't trust anybody these days. Not even your own damn. Well, there was that guy that married that woman. He's in the news. I'm not sure if it was Canada. Was that Canada? He found his girlfriend. He wanted it, and he got her to help him cut his wife up. I mean, I can't even get a woman to make me a damn sandwich. This guy goes finds him a woman that helps him cut his wife up. How do you propose that? It's like, did I mention that before? It's like, hey, hon, dinner or a movie, or help me cut my wife up. She says, it's up to you. And then you say, okay, I'm gonna pause this baby right now. What are we, 9 minutes? Okay. Yeah, okay. I forgot. I want to open the garage door tab. Let's see. Yeah, just unlock it from there. I really want to sweep it out, though. We'll do that later. I just want to make sure I get it sealed. I've missed, like, throughout the years, I've missed it maybe once or twice, but I don't think I've missed it in consecutive years, though. And it looked like there was no change. So, it's pretty good stuff. I think they said it's supposed to last for like 5 years or something like that. But, okay, out to the garage.